The ProApto Occultor Suit is a full-body modular and multipurpose multispectral camouflage designed to offer concealment in the visible and the infrared spectrum. The Occultor Suit is the result of the ProApto Recondor with the addition of limb covers, or the result of ProApto Predator combined with Recondor with the addition of leg covers. This versatile design enables the operator to conceal the whole body and to still be capable of setting up a static observation post. The Occultor system, in all its configurations, is silent, breathable, water-resistant, and it is suitable for amphibious operations. This adaptable system is also lightweight, with a fabric thickness ranging between 0.1 and 0.2 millimeters. Its overall weight spans between 1.5 and 2.6 kilograms. Occultor can be manufactured in diverse 2D camouflage patterns, incorporating 3D laser-cut elements, or it can be enhanced with the ProApto standardized 3D Ghillie Patterns. As all of our multispectral camouflage, it does not insulate the user while being fire retardant and resistant. If necessary, the system can undergo further treatments, and it can be washed without significant decay of multispectral effectiveness. In addition, Occultor can be used with any equipment without interfering with ballistic helmets and without compromising the functionality of communications and head-mounted optronics. ProApto Counter-Thermal Camouflage is going to be available in 2024 for civilian and military use to maximize survivability when it matters the most.